I think everyone feels very secure with Kabir at the helm of the affairs. We'll open up to the media and just shoot away. Hussain sir, can we actually have you on stage?
Please, Hussain sir.
As mentioned earlier, the writer of the story.
Yeah, Hussain is where it all began.
We're starting with, wow. Do I not see a single hand up? I'll continue chatting otherwise. Oh, there is one, is there? Ha, so, acha, you're looking for a mic.
Hello.
Yeah, okay. On the right side, there's a question, yeah.
हाय ट्रेलर बहुत ही खूबसूरत था काफ़ी मज़ा आया देखकर क्या ये फिल्म ज़ीरो डार्क 30 से भी इंस्पायर्ड है समवेयर
नहीं in the sense Zero Dark 30 is also based on reality. In that sense, this film is also based on reality, but this is what now in publishing circles is being called faction, which is what Hussain Zaidi's book is. It's a factual base that gets extended into fiction. तो इसका वो थोड़ा सा अलग है. Zero Dark 30 is on a mission that actually happened. It's actually you know, down to the real detail of what happened. This is a bit of an extension into fiction, what we would want to happen.
You've got that line in the trailer that says you'd wish that this was true. Maybe that's, I think, leading up to that.
Hi, Kabir.
एक और सवाल मेरा था जो फिल्म का जो पोस्टर है सेंसर के थोड़े इश्यूज में फंस गया था कुछ बताएंगे उसके बारे में क्या एग्जैक्टली हुआ
No, I don't think.
I don't think that's a. I mean, I didn't have any idea when I read that story.
और ये पोस्टर बहुत सिमिलर है होम फ्रंट हॉलीवुड फिल्म के पोस्टर से इसके बारे में आप क्या कहेंगे
जी वो भी आज मैंने कहीं पे पढ़ा है but you know I mean we sort of trust the honesty and integrity of our poster designers matching ants so I haven't really been able to get into that and if there is an issue then we'll definitely look at it. I haven't seen what poster you're mentioning.
Hi,
also,
Kabir.
this film is said to have been featuring an original hate speech of Hafiz Saeed. Do you expect any issues with the censors? Hafiz Saeed's original hate speech is being featured in the film, so you think the censors will have issues with that?
The film's already been censored.
And have you had any word with anybody opposing this particular thing yet?
No, not as of now.
Hi, Kabir, towards your left, over here. First of all, congratulations for the success of Bajrangi Bhaijaan. Over here. My question to you is, what is the reason behind the Indian flag being used on the poster, on both the characters?
You know, sometimes you do something where you create an image and then you let it be open to interpretation. I, as a filmmaker, as somebody who creates visuals, don't like articulating and talking about why the reason is. I think it's very obvious. I mean, this was an attack on our country. There's a certain reason why a flag is being used as a blindfold. And beyond that, it's also open to many interpretation that you might have. So I don't like articulating what I've already done in a visual.
And my second question is to Sajid sir. So you know, Phantom is releasing on 28th August, and after that, on each and every Friday, one big film is releasing. Like on 4th, there's Welcome Back, then Hero, then. So do you think, irrespective of how good the film is, the competition will affect the